Guys, it's Kirsten, and in today's video we're going to be doing a new series here on my channel. We're going to be doing an astrology series, so like a zodiac type sign type thing. So the start of it is Aries. So this is my Aries look right now. If you are an Aries, welcome. I hope you guys enjoy, and I am going to be talking a little bit about what an Aries is, their personality traits, what it's about, and everything like that throughout this whole video. It's not really a tutorial, it's kind of more of just like for you to like understand yourself and just the whole, you know, horoscope thing. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, and if you guys want to learn a little bit more about your sign, it's actually insane how much I've learned about my own sign throughout this whole thing. So if you guys want to keep on watching, then keep on watching. Why do we believe in astrology? Although astrology is not a religion, it offers comfort, faith, and a deeper understanding of the world we live in. Interpretations often offer assurances of one's future, but more importantly, they are supposed to show us a way to resolve our issues and to improve our relationships with our partners, family, and friends, and mainly tools to meet ourselves and discover our own inner worlds in a different light. Aries. Aries, the Ram. March 21st to April 19th. Those born under the Aries zodiac sign often have an exciting and enthusiastic energy. They often seek new and challenging adventures that can push their limits. They are driven, ambitious, and curious. And Aries tends to have a strong sense of justice. They love competition in all of its forms. They are generally quite optimistic, and they love being placed in leadership positions. Fire. Cardinal. Active. Positive quotes. Brave. Direct. Fearless. Independent. Deep sense of justice, and a natural leader. Negative qualities. Aggressive, self-centered, purely, inconsistent, bad-tempered, and selfish. Compatibility. All compatibility charts are different, so there is no specific yes or no in who works with what sign. It is proven that signs with the same elements are most likely to be compatible. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy my new series. This is Aries. Stay tuned for more videos, and I love you guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.